In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a bank account conversion balance in Xero. This is an important step when you're setting up Xero for the first time or when you're moving from another accounting system. A conversion balance is simply the opening balance of your bank account on the date you start using Xero. Getting this right ensures your bank reconciliation and reports are accurate from day one. First, log into your Xero account and make sure you're in the correct organization. At the top of the screen, you'll see the main navigation bar. Look for the menu labeled Accounting along that top bar. Go ahead and click on Accounting. This is where Xero keeps most of the tools and settings related to your accounts, including the option we need for conversion balances. After clicking on Accounting, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to go into the area where you can control how your accounting is set up. Select Accounting Settings. This section is where you manage your chart of accounts, financial settings, and other configuration details that tell Xero how to handle your numbers. Once the accounting settings page opens, take a moment to let it load fully, then look for the option called Conversion Balances. This may appear as a tab or a link within the settings page. Click on Conversion Balances. This is the dedicated area in Xero where you enter your opening balances for your accounts as of your conversion date. Inside the conversion balances area, you'll be able to choose the relevant bank account and enter the balance that was in that account on your chosen start date. Before you type in any figures, it's a good idea to have a reliable source in front of you, such as a bank statement or a closing trial balance from your old system, so that the amount you enter matches your records exactly. Once you've entered the correct bank account conversion balance, review it carefully. Check the date and the amount, and make sure it agrees with your external records. When you're confident everything is accurate, save your changes in Xero. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Accounting, then Accounting Settings, and finally Conversion Balances, you can properly enter your bank account, conversion balance, and ensure your Xero file starts off on the right foot.